Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Messenger notification sound. For that, head over to your settings app and from here tap on notifications. Now at the top page, you will see app notifications. Open it. From here, you're going to have to search for Messenger. So simply type in Messenger and then search for it. Now you will see Messenger application because you've already downloaded that. And once you see Messenger, you're going to have to tap onto it. Here you will see Messenger, open it. Then tap on notification categories. But before that, make sure this is toggled on. If not, you will not be able to see the option of notification categories. Now in here, what you have to do is, if you would like to set a custom notification for, let's say, chats, you're going to have to tap on chats. And then what you have to do is tap on sound. By default, it might be app provided sound, but at the section, you will see various sounds and simply tap on anyone which you would like to add. Now, this being for chats, you can also, set a custom notification for maybe incoming calls or maybe outgoing calls. So guys, this is how easy it is. If you would like to change the overall sound of this Messenger, you can also do it by tapping on this notification categories again and make sure allow notification is turned on and set for chats. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.